She was going to die anyway. I chose to end her pain quicker.
That's bullshit. Stop lying. She could have survived. They would have treated her.
That's why I killed her. Because I know what you're like. You would have given up. Stop playing just so you could save her.
Was that it? You killed someone because this might end?
Yeah! You and that girl would have been the majority you needed to get out! Going home without a single cent? I can't do that!